Man, I'm just taking a quick video on my ghetto-ness, my workstation. Holy, probably the messiest computer area. Got 3 old notebook screens, half taken apart notebook. Hey, that just finished. I just gotta make a quick video. And what are you working on?
Website design.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Your big ghetto-ness with your big ass fan there. I wonder who did that, eh? Eh? Big wall of CDs. Well, actually, it's not a big wall, it's just a few. Satellite junk. Lots more computers, monitors. Actually, I had a buddy online that asked where I work. So, look at those antiques there, eh? Got enough of them. A bunch of notebooks. Another office. Very, very messy office. Bunch more old notebooks and receivers. Okay. Old shitty notebook. And my project to do for the fun of it. DV9000. Needs a basic motherboard repair. Maybe I'll make a video of that. And there's almost done. Oh, look at the mess. Look at that freaking mess.